I wish I had a bigger burger. This soup is so boring. Nothing is ever right today. What is this place? It looks strange.
Hello there, young traveler. Welcome.
Hello? Your shop is so loud. Everything is bad today. My soup, my shoes, everything.
Ah, maybe you are looking at them wrong.
Try these. They help you see what is truly invisible.
Invisible things? Okay, let's see. Wow! Everything looks so bright!
The soup, it is glowing like a star.
Leo, is everything okay? You left your dinner.
Mom? Hi, Mom. Did you make this soup just for me?
Yes, sweetie. I wanted to make you healthy and strong.
I am sorry, Mom. Thank time for making this for me. I appreciate this warm sweater. It feels like a hug.
Look, Leo. Your sneakers are as good as new now.
Thank you, Dad. You are the best fixer in the world. The park is so beautiful today. I love the green trees.
Wait, is that Toby? Why is he surrounded by gray smoke?
Just a toy car? I wish I had a real drone. This is generic. Toby cannot see the magic. I must help him. Hey, Toby. What's wrong? Is it about your birthday gift? It's a terrible gift. Ugh. Everybody else gets cool drones. Trust me, put these on and you will see something magical. Huh? What is happening to my hands?
The box, it's filled with warm gold light.
My parents worked so hard. And I was so mean. I will go home and thank them right now. That is the spirit, Toby. Oh, the magic glasses. They are gone. I get it now. The magic is inside my own eyes. Dad, I am back.
Welcome home, our little champion.
I love you both so much.
Thank you for this wonderful meal and for this beautiful day. Open your eyes, look around, and you will find magic everywhere. Are you ready, Toby? Let's show everyone the magic. Ready! This is gonna be awesome.
Wonderful project, boys. Let's all practice saying thank you today.
Dad. Thank you for the best birthday gift ever. We did it, Toby. We changed the world.
Because a grateful heart is the most beautiful magic of all.
Look, there is Mr. Wilson. Let's go say thank you.
Whew. I can't. So many letters to deliver today.
Good morning, Mr. Wilson. This is for you. Thank you for bringing letters to everyone every single day.
Oh my.
It glows. I feel so warm inside.
Thank you, little heroes. You made my whole day beautiful. Have a nice day, Mr. Wilson.
Goodbye.
Whew, the sun is so hot today. Almost done.
Mr. Tom looks so thirsty. Let's give him this cold juice. Yes. Great idea. Hello, Mr. Tom. Please have some cold drink. Thank you for fixing our roads. You make our city safe.
Wow! This is so fresh. My tiredness is all gone.
Thank you, boys. Your kind words make me want to build the best roads.
Keep up the good work, Mr. Tom.
Bye-bye. Smell that. It smells like sweet apples. Look at all the bright colors.
Oh dear. These boxes are getting heavier every day.
Don't worry, Mrs. Mary. We can help you push it! Wow! Look at the apples! Woo. They are shining so beautifully.
Thank you, sweet boys. Your kind hearts make this old store feel so warm.
Wow, thank you so much, Mrs. Mary.
These apples are magic.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Put the box here, Toby. The stage is ready. Awesome. Let's get the music started. What are you guys making? Can I watch? Come in, Emma. Welcome to our gratitude concert. 1, 2, 3. Listen to the thank you song. Thank you for the sun. Thank you for the fun. Thank you for the friends. The magic never ends. Yay! Gratitude is the best magic of all! Look at the sky, Mom and Dad. It is a beautiful morning.
Every day is a gift, Leo. We must always be thankful.
That's right, son. Gratitude makes our family stronger.
I promise, I will say thank you to everyone every day.
Welcome to the Bravery Bakery!